hey, let me show you how you can fix the issue when you cannot see your contacts on the Realme 12 5G. So all you have to do is just to open the app drawer and then go into the contacts. And if for some reason your contacts are actually not visible here, first just click on the left upper corner on these three lines and select accounts. Select all accounts. First of all, I would just on the SIM card and I've got only 5 contacts, but when I click here and select all accounts, now I can find 15 contacts. So as you can see, that's how it works in my case. Also, if you don't have contacts, there's like big reason that, for example, you got selected the email contacts. So we have to just unselect them. And now we are back and we can see all of our contacts. The same for the phone contacts. When I select the phone contacts, I can see only 9 of them. So click here to see all of the contacts that you have. And also we can try to switch between the SIM card by clicking here. And then you can open the contacts of your phone storage, of your Google account, or for example, of your SIM card. And that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.